A paint sprayer is designed to deliver a smooth, even coat by atomizing paint into a fine mist. However, when performance drops, it can result in clogs, spitting, and uneven spray patterns that affect finish quality. Welcome to the whole toolbox. In this video, we'll explore common paint sprayer issues, their causes, and how to fix them to restore smooth and consistent spray performance. Today, we're focusing on paint sprayer troubleshooting and the most common issues that affect spray quality, including clogs, spitting, and uneven application. One of the most frequent problems is clogged spray tips or nozzles. Dried paint or debris can block the fluid passage and interrupt spray flow. To fix this, remove the nozzle, clean it thoroughly, and soak it in a suitable cleaning solution to dissolve buildup. Another common issue is spitting or sputtering during spraying. This often happens when air mixes with paint due to loose fittings or partially blocked fluid lines. To fix it, tighten all connections, inspect hoses for leaks, and ensure the fluid path is fully clear. Uneven spray patterns are also a major concern. This can occur when the spray tip is worn out or pressure settings are not balanced. Replacing a worn tip and adjusting the pressure control helps restore a consistent spray fan. Paint viscosity also plays an important role. If the paint is too thick or not mixed properly, the sprayer cannot atomize it correctly. To fix this, thin the paint according to manufacturer guidelines and mix it thoroughly before use. Air leaks in hoses or seals can disrupt pressure balance and cause unstable spraying. Fixing this involves inspecting O-rings, tightening fittings, and replacing damaged seals where needed. Technicians typically resolve these issues by cleaning the spray tip and filters, checking pressure output, verifying paint consistency, and ensuring all connections are airtight. By applying these fixes, users can restore smooth spraying, improve finish quality, and extend the life of their paint sprayer. For reliable troubleshooting guidance and maintenance solutions, follow Toolbox.com for more tips on improving paint sprayer performance and achieving smooth, consistent finishes. Thanks for watching.